Okay, namaste, and I'm back again. And today I'm going to talk something very important. Yeah, and it's all about Saturn's Sagittarius or Dhanu Rashi transit. It's about Shani Deva's Dhanu Rashi transit. Yeah, uh, see, Dhanu Rashi uh, transit results. I have already written in detail for all the 12 Rashis, and you can check the link which is given below. Just go to my blogspot and check it out. All the 12 Rashi predictions for Shani's transit to Sagittarius is given in detail. But why this is very important is because uh, people born under specific time intervals. I have calculated, worked out uh, last 100 years, some specific time intervals. If you people are born in those specific time intervals, then this Shani transit, this Saturn's Gochar is definitely a cause of concern for you people. Okay, so now I'm telling you the time intervals. Just carefully listen it and see whether your birth in falls in in these specific years or not. Okay, so number one is November 1916 to June 1918. Yeah, number one, November 1916 to June 1918. If you're born in this time interval, then this Saturn's Sagittarius transit till January 2020 will be a problematic transit for you. 2. If you're born in June 1935 to November 1937, if you're born in the time interval of June 1935 to November 1937, then again the same fate is there for you people. If you're born, number 3, January 1954 to August 1955, January 1954 to August 1955, same fate. May 1972 to March 1974, this is the fourth time interval. May 1972 to March 1974, you people also need to be really cautious. December 1991 to October 1992, this is the fifth time interval in last 100 years. If you are born between December 1991 to October 1992, you need to be cautious. And number 6 and the last interval of time in last 100 years, that is November 2009 to June 2011. November 2009 to June 2011. If you people are born now, these people will be kids, 6 years, 5 years kids, November 2009 to June 2011. So they are dependent, so they should not be worried too much. But parents definitely need to take care of their children who are born between November 2009 to June 2011. And rest 5 slots. See, first slot November 1916 to June 1918. I really wonder how many people will be alive, because it is almost 100 years, and very few people live till 100 years time. So the first slot we should not be bothered about. The last slot, the parents should take care of their children who are born between November 2009 to June 2011. But the middle 4 time intervals, if people are born in those time intervals, then this Saturn transit is definitely a problematic transit for you people. And now what is the reason for that? Why I'm saying the Saturn transit will be problematic to people born under these time intervals or these birth years, because in these birth years the transiting Rahu was there placed in Sagittarius or Dhanu Rashi. So if you're born in these time intervals, you will have Rahu in your Dhanu Rashi or Sagittarius sign in your natal horoscope or Janma Lagna Kundali. Yeah, so simple. You don't need to go through all those years. Just open your chart and see whether you are having natal Rahu or birth Rahu in Dhanu Rashi in your Kundali or not. If your Rahu is placed in Dhanu Rashi at birth, then this transit of Saturn or Shanidev will be a curse for you people. Why? Because Neecha Rahu becomes Neecha or debilitated in Dhanu Rashi, and Neecha Rahu is nothing but the curse from the ancestor, the curse or the Shrapa from the Pitaras. Yeah, so it's a Pitru Shrapa. So that's why I'm telling you that this transit of Saturn, if you're having Rahu in Dhanu Rashi in your natal Kundali or Janma Lagna Kundali, then this transit will be a curse for you people, because Saturn will be transiting over your natal Rahu. तो जन्म के राहु के ऊपर से गोचर के शनि का भ्रमण, right? So this is absolutely a problematic combination. You people must have got the glimpse, got the trailer from last say October or something like that, October 2016. 3-4 months, you people must have faced something problematic or wrong. Okay, and now from April onwards, March April onwards, you people are having really a good amount of fortune, or you people are having great time, and you people are having a blast. All right, you people are enjoying, or you people are thinking that this is a successful transit, this is a very auspicious transit. No, but from March April, from April Saturn got retrograde. Yeah, Shanidev is retrograde from April. So now Saturn and Rahu are giving you a window to commit mistakes. This is a trap laid down by destiny for you people. So within this 4 months time till October. Okay, now on till October 26, you people will definitely commit some or the other mistakes, and you people will have to face for those mistakes till 2020 January. Yeah, so it's definitely a cause of concern. It's Saturn transiting over natal Rahu, or Saturn Rahu conjunction in any kundali is absolutely not advisable. It is a shrapita dosha, it's a curse. Yeah, so be cautious, do some remedial measures for Saturn and Rahu. Now there are two parties, it's a conjunction, whether it is transiting a conjunction or whether it is natal conjunction. Whenever a graha transits over a natal graha, it is a conjunction. Okay, so you have to do remedies for both the grahas, for Saturn as well as for Rahu. Yeah, traditional remedies are what? It is Graha Shanti Puja, it is Havan, it is Jap, it is Dan, and it is gems. I will not recommend you people to wear gems, because gems can be backfired like anything. Yeah, so you should avoid gems. I don't know in what house this conjunction is happening. So randomly advising gems will be a sin on an astrologer's part. So I will definitely not recommend gems. Do whatever other traditional remedies are there, and if you need help, I'm always there. Just a single line email, just a WhatsApp message, or just a text message, and I'm there at your service. So I'm giving down these years below in the description. Just check it out, and if you want to check it out, Saturn's regular transit effects for all the 12 signs, even those links I'll paste in the description box. So just go there and check it out, and may Shanidev bless all, my blessings as well. Take care, may God bless you. Dhanyavad, namaste, thank you very much.